Hello everybody, welcome back. In this tutorial we're going to be creating a cup or a mug. So to make it, hit shift A, add a mesh cylinder and hit S, shift Z and scale it down. Go to front view, hit S, Z and scale it down again and hit tab 3 and select the up and down faces and add a few bevel. After that, select the upper face again, extrude, insert and done. Now do it again. That's like smooth. Now we have a perfect cup. Now hit shift A, add a torus. Hit R X90 and hit S. Grab and put it in position. Tab XD. Hit A G X and position it. Done. Now we have our basic cup. Hit shift A, add a plane. Hit tab to select the end of this plane, which is this line. This line. Hit E X and EZ, sorry, yes, EZ and grab tab, sorry, okay. Now hit select that, control B and hit tab right click, right click shade smooth and shift J, camera, control alt 0, grab it into position and hit A, right click shade, right click shade smooth and right click shade smooth. Now go to the render settings here, and if you go to render settings you can see there is nothing here. I'm just going to, you can see that no light is being casted, so add a light and grab the light up, and as you can see, as soon as you add an area lamp, there is nothing here. Just add some power and you can see that some light is here. Now go to the right, fix that and go and hit shift, go to the right orthographic view, shift D, rotate, grab it, shift D, rotate, G, Y and put it in position, shift D, select shift D, right click, go to up and rotate, rotate, rotate and now go to, everything is like this. Just grab it back, grab this up, scale it up and grab like this, not this and grab it, yeah, just grab like this, grab it up, grab it and scale it and do the same here, scale it, done. I'm just going to scale it this, done. Now go and let me just let me just delete these lights because I don't think it's giving some light here, so let me just do that again. So grab and as you can see there's this yellow dot, click it and point it towards the cup and go to camera view and hit shift D, rotate and rotate and add a light, do the same, here and select the upper light and make it 1000. Now hit Shift D, go to up and hit Shift D, go to the top orthographic and hit and start duplicating it for the front and back, and done. Voila. And done. Now go ahead and select these, hit new, and let me just add a material called glass, and I'm not going to be messing around with this. I'm just going to go down and decrease the roughness and increase the specular, and hit Ctrl L, copy link materials and select this new and make it blue studio and add a blue color, maybe make it a mustard color. Okay, now we let me see that. That's good. We now have a good object ready mug. You can use this mug for games and stuff like that, games, animations, and so forth. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video with post notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.